birthday-han.
Ay, lagi birthday-han.
Ay, alin na. Nara siya, ma'am.
Nagiliwat sa iyang papa.
Wapo.
Kaya na ba na yung dagway? Sa gamay pa ka.
Wapo.
Gusto ako ginang papa? Di ba? Sige na, Sir Emil.
Ay, sira-rat. Manday na abin ako si Emmanuel. Nag-greet ko ganito.
Birthday father, the son,
Abdi ka na kayo pananangin.
we ask you to bless this food. Thank you for all the blessings you have bestowed in us. We thank you for the gift of life, the gift of food, the gift of water. Thank you for this occasion today as we celebrate the birthday of Ra. May you continue give and shower more blessings to him and good health and good life, especially in the future. Bless this food in front of us. May this food nourish us not only